everyone, I'm Tamara. I'm one of the hygienists at Fullarton Park Dental. Today I'd like to talk to you about the role of a dental hygienist. A dental hygienist is an oral health professional, and we are a specifically trained member of the dental team who works very closely together with the dentist to provide the best individual care for our patients. My role as a dental hygienist at Fullarton Park Dental is to provide dental health education, such as showing you how to brush your teeth correctly, cleaning between your teeth. So it also includes an assessment of your gum health with the aid of radiographs, oral health maintenance, removal of calculus, which is the tartar, which is the hard deposit on your teeth, and stain removal, and working closely with the dentist and providing an oral health assessment for our patients. We have a wide range of skills which include taking impressions, making whitening trays, making mouth guards, fissure sealants, temporary fillings, so yeah, the list goes on. Dental disease can be prevented with effective home plaque removal. Early intervention and education will improve your oral health as well as your overall health. It is important for everyone to establish a good oral health routine at home and visit your dentist and hygienist every 6 months to maintain healthy teeth and gums, and also to improve your general well-being. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment below, or if you'd like to request further information, please feel free to call us at the practice on 8272 5271. Thank you for listening.